First Lieutenant Byron. Panie i panowie, witamy. Pozdrowienia z Turcji, kraju dwóch kontynentów. Przybywamy do was z daleka, aby zaprezentować wam spektakularny show. Spotykamy się w samym sercu Europy w Polsce. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from Turkey, where two continents, Europe and Asia meet. We are coming from very long way to have spectacular display. For the second time, to affect your weekend just once again. Yesterday, our demo pilot, Captain Erhan Güner, is here today. He has graduated from Air Force Academy in 2005 and take courses at our International Military Pilot School. It is inexpressible, but today you can just experience it. While you are living this adventure, I will try to explain the maneuvers for Turkish Air Force. In a while, you will see a very unique air show for the expression of the embodiment of power, for the symbol of Turkish future in the sky. Is just starting right now. Power of Turkish nation is extending to infinity on behalf of aviation. You will witness very special dreams will be a reality. This is the common boundless courage of Turkish Air Force, and I present Lieutenant, this is Solo Türk, First Lieutenant Serdar Doğan. Zaczyna show spraza podstawa, humor i wibera, program kultury wam pokaże. Bądźcie gotowi na moc adrenalina! Już jest! Nadlatuje! Księżyc i gwiazdy! Oklaski dla solisty! Panie i panowie, tak wygląda prawdziwa pokaz! Solo Türk is going to perform slow motion turn, which requires a great flight control ability of aircraft. And during it will circle around itself by having a continuous command in all three axes. Pilot prezentuje powolno beczka. Solo Türk spełnia wasze marzenia! He will approach for hard turbulence. He'll simulate an attack for moving in slow silence. After that, bądźcie gotowi na postrąg! By having a continuous command in all three axes. Solo Türk, yes, they take on. This is now, świecie najlepszy! Panie i panowie, bądźcie gotowi na nasz pokazowy numer. Solo Türk is going to come straight ahead of you to perform vertical climb and descent maneuver combined by rolls. So far so good. Months of preparations, thousands of trainings, skill, speed and perfect talent are condensed in this maneuver. Follower of our great leader, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk is coming towards you. Ladies and gentlemen, Solo Türk prosto pisie wami na wysokości 100 stóp z prędkością dźwięku. The metal that's sharpened with the passion of power. The metal that's subservient to the will of human. And today, what can I say more? Just na slow motion. With honor, 2016, Solo Türk second demo pilot, First Lieutenant, Serdar Doğan.
Today, Solo Türk is flying for more than 600 years fresh for Turkey and Polish. I'd like to thank all of my friends. We are
I think he meets your expectation. Tylko nasz pilot to potrafi. Ja nadal nie wiem, jak on to robi. Please on this maneuver. With high level concentration, Solo Türk will simulate 8-point roll and 1, 2, 3. Historię, swoją duszę, język, tożsamość. Polskie i Turcję łączy 600 lat przyjaźni. Ponad granice różnorodności Solo Türk leci dla was, Polacy. Ręce w górę, oklaski dla solistę. Celebrujmy te przyjaźni. Thank you very much for your enthusiastic applause. Snake Pass is one of the hardest maneuvers for F-16. The thrust, which keep our plane in the sky, is bent through the clouds. A teraz najtrudniejsza manewr dla samolotu. Pełne niespodzianek, stolica Aerofestival już! Inspirujące miejsce, niezapomniane, doświadczenie, Turcja na was czeka, a my tym pokazem zapraszamy! I jej przyjaciół za pomysłu na mocno polickiego. Zapraszamy na spotkania z historistą po pokazie. Czekamy na Was obok namiotu pilotów. Chciałbym również podziękować firmie Aerofestival i międzynarodowe targi Poznańskie. Dziękujemy za brawa! Miła entuzjazm!